What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you my exact strategy for growing my affiliate business through TikTok. That's right. I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use, the game plan I put in place, and the things I did every single day to be able to generate over $50,000 in affiliate commissions in just 6 months. And furthermore, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first high ticket commission in less than 30 days. So understand, when I say that type of stuff, right, those results are not typical. I do have to put a disclaimer in there. I cannot promise that your results will be the same. Those are my personal results, and I am using them just to share information with you all and share the strategy with you all. I cannot promise your results will be the same, but this is the exact strategy I use. And if you implement these strategies, you will start to see some consistent and some fast success in your affiliate marketing businesses. So let me just switch my screen here real quick, and I want to show you guys just a couple things so that you understand that when it comes to TikTok, I know what I'm talking about. Most of you are probably familiar with the winning edge formula. This is me, about 204,000 followers on this account, right? And when I say I'm able to get a high ticket commission in 30 days or less, this is not lip service, guys. This is actually something I was able to do. In my business last year when I first launched, if you guys know my story, right? I launched in 2020, was able to get my first high ticket commission in about 20 days, completely replaced my full-time income in literally just 20 days from launching my affiliate marketing business. I was able to repeat the process when I relaunched my business in April of this year. I got my first high ticket commission in 29 days. And then I went, and again, those of you that are familiar, I also created this channel that you can see right here, almost 40,000 followers now. I was able to get my first high ticket commission in less than 20 days on this account, repeating the same process. And just so you guys can see, this is the account I created last year when I first launched my affiliate marketing business, almost 80,000 followers. So when it comes to TikTok, when it comes to growing an affiliate marketing business on TikTok, I understand this process. I know what goes into it, and I've been able to repeat it over and over again. So I want to share with you guys, let's go ahead, let's break down this strategy, and I can show you. So the first thing I want you to understand is when you are playing the game on TikTok, when you are trying to, first of all, when you are implementing your affiliate marketing business, understand that first of all, you need your funnel built out. Second of all, you need your autoresponder built out. So if you're not familiar with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a video down in the description. It's actually my feature video about how I replaced my full-time income in just 20 days with affiliate marketing. Go look at that. It's going to break down, a funnel, things like that. If you need a funnel, if you need an offer to promote and you're at that stage, go watch my other video. I'll link that down in the description as well about how you can clone my 10K per month affiliate marketing business. I give you my funnel. I give you my bridge page script. I give you my email autoresponder sequences. I give you everything you need to get your business, affiliate marketing business, up and running fast so you can go out there and then you can implement this strategy that I used on TikTok to start growing your business and start getting those commissions fast. So here we go. Once you got all that done and you're on the traffic part, this is my actual strategy for TikTok. And I did one thing. Literally, when I started, I focused on one thing and one thing alone. And all that was, guys, was creating one piece of content daily. I shot for between 1 to 3, but no matter what, I had one piece of content every single day that went on this winning edge formula account. I shot for 3, right? I wanted to get 3 pieces of content every day. So you're going to need to be posting 1 to 3 times per day. And you are going to focus on those 3 pieces of content. You want to do 2 value posts and 1 promotional style of post. So when I say value posts, this is sharing tips and tricks with people like this video right here. Look, 3 things you can do in your affiliate marketing business right now, right? So then that's this video right here.
Here's 3 things you need to be doing in your affiliate marketing business. The first is leading with value.
Boom, lead with value.
Second is collecting emails.
Collecting emails.
Third is following up with more value.
More value. Boom.
The game is simple. Don't get caught up in the virality.
There you go. See, so with the video, I gave value there. Things that you can focus on, right? Here's another example of a value style of post. One is actually value and promotion at the same time because the person asked a question. And this is one thing that's so overlooked in TikTok. You see people making income claims and posting all kinds of different stuff about the opportunity. But if you're doing TikTok right, TikTok wants you to create your own community, right? So by doing that, we can
Here's how you're gonna get started fast with your online.
We can do what's called a response post. Like, as you can see, God's child asked this question: how do I get started ASAP, right? This is just a layup for content creators like me, right? Because now we can direct people, say, hey, you can get the same training, you can get started at the link in the bio. But at the same time, we're actually responding to our audience with a response post. So those of you that don't know how to do this, on your TikTok account, when people comment on a video, you can simply click on that comment, you can hit reply, and then it will give you the option to reply with a video, and it immediately takes you to the video process. So there you go. Think about when you're doing your value posts, right? You can give people value, tips and tricks, strategies, things that you're learning or implementing in your business. And then you can also reply to people. So you're giving them value in the reply post, but you're also building a community and focusing in on your community and your engagement. So it's going to increase. TikTok's going to pick you up more in the algorithm, and they're going to show you to more people. So when you're thinking about value posts, again, understand with a value post, you are providing value first, right? What can you teach your audience? Secondly, think about how you can do response posts, right? So if you do this every single day, you give one piece of value, you do one response post, and then you give one call to action where you're telling people to click the link or follow you for the best tips or to head to your bio to learn more, right? Like, that's an opportunity style of post where you're going to give people the opportunity to get started with the business or to purchase something from you or to see your affiliate offers, right? You do not want to be doing this all the time. You want to focus on value first. So again, the only thing I did in my business for month 1, I decided I'm going to post 1 to 3 posts a day. I am going to focus on providing value first, right? And then I'm going to promote opportunity second. So again, you can do this with 3 posts a day, and it's going to take you 10 minutes to create those posts. It may take you a little longer at the beginning because you're getting used to everything, but once you figure it out, once you get it dialed in, you can realistically create 3 pieces of content in 10 to 15 minutes a day and have those ready to post. So that's step 1. That's your first part of the strategy, is just start getting consistent with your posting. Understand you need to be providing value. You need to be doing response posts to build that community. And then you need to have call to action, right? What's a call to action? So let's back up here for a second. Even in your value posts, right? Your value posts, your opportunity posts, your response posts, there should always be what is called a CTA or a call to action. And let's go back to this first post here real quick. We'll watch it again.
3 things you need to be doing in your affiliate marketing business.
I'm providing value.
Is leading with value. Second,
and
is
in the last couple
emails.
seconds, watch
Third,
what I do.
Is following up with more value. The game is simple.
Boom. Hit that plus button for more. What's that going to do? It's going to encourage people to hit that plus button. What does the plus button do? It encourages them to follow you, right? So it's a very subtle CTA, a very subtle call to action. It's on the screen, and it's in the last couple seconds of the video. Now, you can actually say, hey, hit that follow button for more tips like this. That's totally okay. You can do that. But what I found really works on TikTok is putting that call to action in the last 2 to 3 seconds of the video and putting it in text on the screen while you're saying something else, because this does 2 things. And this is a ninja hack, or whatever you want to call it, for all of you. Excuse me, sorry about my alarm. But for all of you trying to understand how to grow on TikTok, how to get more views, understand that this is a hack to trick the algorithm, because what happens is you put that up there, you're talking about one thing, you're saying one thing, but then you have something else on the screen that kind of has nothing to do with what you're saying, and it's only there for 2 or 3 seconds. People are going to be, crap, did I miss something important? So what happens is they go back and they rewatch your video all the way through, and they pause it like I have it paused right now because they want to see what it says. They're like, oh, okay, that's what it says. And then they let it go. So what happens is now somebody's watched the video all the way through. They've watched it all the way through twice, and they've paused it. So they've spent longer on your video. So in the algorithm, it says, oh my gosh, this person watched this all the way through both times, and they had an average watch time that's higher than the actual video itself. This is a great piece of content. And then they're going to show it to more people. And if they follow your call to action, they hit that plus button and they follow you, TikTok, that's like the triple whammy, whatever you want to call it. That's absolutely what TikTok loves. Got full watch time, actually more watch time than the length of the video. Somebody watched it all the way through again, and they hit the follow button. Boom, TikTok is like, this is an amazing piece of content. I'm going to start showing it to more people. So that's kind of a hack to grow your account. When you're putting the CTA in there, put it in the last 2 to 3 seconds of the video and put some text on the screen so people can get, maybe like see it for a little bit and then, oh man, I missed it. Let me go back and rewatch it. They go back, they rewatch it, they hit the follow button, and now you're getting your content shown to more people. So understand the first part of this process, again, get consistent with your posting. Understand you want to be posting 1 to 3 times per day at the beginning, and focus only on this for the first 30 days. That's what I focused on. That was my game plan in the month of April of this year. 1 to 3 posts per day, grow my account that way. And here's another tip. We'll leave it at this. This is the last little tip for you guys. I don't want to make this video too long because the strategy is very, very simple. And I'm going to come out with what you should be doing in month 2. So stay tuned for that video. That will be up next, and it's going to be awesome. You're going to love it. And I'm going to show you guys how it completely transformed my business. But this is how you're going to start growing your account, building that audience that's engaged. And so again, the last little tip I'm going to leave you guys with in this is when you're doing your 1 to 3 posts per day, don't focus on putting it out so fast. Focus on your copywriting, right? Like understand that, yes, you're on TikTok. It's this platform where you can reach people quickly and have explosive growth, and the videos are quick. But understand that people who are really winning with this stuff, they are practicing their copywriting. This is a high income skill that you need in your marketing business. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you're a coach, a consultant, you're doing your own thing with course creation, whatever it is, guys, understand you need to get good at copywriting. So see TikTok as if you're posting 3 times a day, see it as 3 opportunities to work on your copywriting, right? Like, don't just go and put things out there. Like, understand that, right? When I'm doing this, I'm practicing what we call the hook story offer, right? Hook story offer. I'm practicing this on every piece of content that in here. This is the best way I can explain it.
Get caught up in the virality.
I'm going to break it down here. Boom. Okay. So here's my hook, right? In the first 3 seconds, I'm hooking people's attention. Do these 3 things in your affiliate marketing business, right? Oh, okay. That's interesting. Like, I have an affiliate marketing business. I can do this to grow. I can do this to make more money. Like, let me check it out.
Things you need to be doing in your affiliate marketing business.
Okay, so that's the hook, right? Then the story, it doesn't always actually have to be a story. It's called story, right? Because marketing is just storytelling in general. And when you're telling things about your life, or about your story specifically, and when you're sharing stories, yes, you're going to hook people, then you're going to share a story. But the story in a value post, right? That's basically just the tips and tricks that you're going to give them. So hook them in, right? 3 tips for your affiliate marketing business. Then the story is just delivering those, right? And then the offer at the end, let's go. So
the first is leading.
Here's the story, right? I'm giving the tips.
Collecting emails.
That's the story.
Third is following up with more value.
Okay, here comes the offer.
The game is simple. Don't get caught.
Okay, the game is simple. Don't get caught up in it. Or don't get caught up in the virality of things, right? So that's kind of my conclusion to everything. The offer is the conclusion, right? I conclude it by saying, hey, the game is simple. Do these 3 things, you're going to grow. Don't focus on virality, focus on community. That's what it's all about. And then I put in my call to action as well, which is kind of a second offer. Hit that plus button for more, right? So hook, story, offer. It's a very simple process, but understand you need to be focusing on actually doing copywriting in your TikTok video creation, okay? So understand that. But yeah, there you go. So again, that's the video. We're going to wrap this one up. I don't want to make it too long. Be on the lookout for part 2, right? Go out there. You can start implementing this today, whether you got a TikTok channel, whether you don't, get that created, get your funnel created. And when you're ready to start making content, understand 1 to 3 times per day, you should be posting. Provide value first, focus on value, and use your TikTok content creation to practice your copywriting skills. Don't just put crap out there. Become a good copywriter. Practice your copywriting. It's one of those high income skills that is an absolute must for your affiliate marketing business, for your online journey. So hopefully these tips help. Be on the lookout for video number 2. Turn on the bell notifications, subscribe to the channel so you get notified when video 2 comes out. That's what you're doing in your first 30 days. I'm going to show you what you should be focusing in on, the next step in the process on your next 30 days, so that you have a well-oiled machine, a well-oiled affiliate marketing machine that can pay you passively. So I'm looking forward to it, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.